Today, we're making Panda Express Dynamite Sweet and Sour Chicken with Spicy Buldak. This is a spicy twist on an iconic dish, and holy cow, does adding Buldak to sweet and sour chicken kick it up a notch. And since we're making it at home, we're also saving money. If you're looking to try a new and exciting Panda Express dish, then you gotta try making this recipe. It's great for meal prep, lunch, or dinner, and is a great way to save money on food with prices on the rise. I love eating out, but it can get expensive. But that doesn't mean we can't make food at home, so let's get cooking. We'll start by dicing one white onion into 1-inch pieces. Then we'll dice one red bell pepper into 1-inch pieces. For the sweet and sour sauce, we'll mix together 5 tablespoons of ketchup, 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar, 3 tablespoons of white vinegar. Mix this. And 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Mix. Then we'll add 2 tablespoons of water and an optional 1 tablespoon of pineapple juice. Mix this as well. For the chicken, in a different bowl, add 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce and 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. We're using the original Buldak pack ramen for this recipe. In particular, we want the spicy sauce pack. Set this aside and mix the Buldak sauce pack into the sauce bowl. Mix to dissolve, and then set aside. For the chicken, we're using 8 boneless chicken thighs, cutting each piece into about 1 to 2 inch pieces. Add this to the marinade bowl, and repeat for all 8 chicken thighs. Toss this a bit. We'll also prep a tossing bowl with cornstarch. We're air frying today, so toss the chicken in the cornstarch to get each piece fully coated in the cornstarch. In an air fryer set to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, spray the basket with oil. Then add 1 layer of chicken, spacing out a little bit. And then generously spraying all of the surface of the chicken with oil. Let this air fry at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. Before tossing and spraying with more oil. Do this until the chicken is fully cooked and reaches a golden brown crispiness on all sides. Shaking the basket and spraying with oil ensures that all sides of the chicken pieces turn out nice and crispy. After about 20 to 30 minutes, or until the chicken reaches a crispiness of your liking, we can set this chicken aside onto a baking rack. This avoids the chicken from getting soggy. And we can then repeat this process for the rest of the chicken. This is a very good way to get air fryer crispy chicken. Remove the chicken to the rack. Okay, we're ready to toss it all together. On a wok set to high heat, add some oil, then our onions and bell pepper. Toss for about 30 seconds. Then add our sauce. The sauce will thicken up, so make sure to stir and toss it as well. Once it's thickened up, we can add our crispy chicken. And then carefully toss it so that everything gets nicely coated in the delicious sweet and sour sauce. The Buldak sauce in particular adds a ton of color and heat to this dish. The original sauce, in my opinion, isn't too spicy, but if you're looking for some extreme heat, then feel free to try using the extra spicy Buldak sauce packs. We'll basically continue to toss this until every single piece of the chicken is fully coated in the sauce. We don't want any dry parts. Give it one final shake and toss for good measure. Just look at how yummy that all looks, just like Panda Express. And boom, we have Panda Express sweet and sour chicken with spicy Buldak. This may only be limited edition at Panda Express stores, but if you learn to make this at home, then you can make this whenever you want and you'll save money cooking at home. Prices on food are on the rise, so cooking at home meals like this are a great option to avoid getting burnt out from boring meal prep. Food should be exciting and enjoyed, so if this looks yummy, then be sure to like and subscribe for more. Sweet and sour chicken is already a great dish to enjoy, and I love how Panda Express thought of giving a spicy twist to this dish. Here are today's ingredients. Most of the items can be purchased at your local grocery store, and it's worth checking the international aisle if you have trouble finding Buldak sauce. The best part is making this dish at home results in just about 6 servings. This is a lot more food than you'll get eating out, and it's way less money too. Let me know in the comments what foods you want to see next. We'll see you next time.